Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share Google Keep Notes with friends or teams. So if you guys want to collaborate effortlessly with friends or your team using Google Keep, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share notes with others directly from the Google Keep. So here I've already opened keep.google.com. So this is my Google Keep. Let's say I want to share this notes right here. So if you want to share a note, you can do it without having to open the notes itself. You can just here put your cursor to the notes that you want to share, and at the bottom there will be this person with plus icon which allow you to add collaborator to the note. So just tap on that and this will pop up. You can see that I am the owner of the notes, and in here I can add person or email that I want to share this notes with. Here I can also share it with my family group or my teams if I create one. So you can just put the names of the person that you want to share it with like this, and then you can tap on save. So just like that, the collaborator or the notes has been shared with my friends. You can see in here their emails will shown in here. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.